We don't just make promise, we deliver.
But we wanted to take it even further.
Raising the bar for laser safety.
We always value user experience and believe that the cleanliness and the safety are the most important aspects.
In the past, we have always focused heavily on safety. That's why we developed fully enclosed laser machines and the world's first fire safety accessories. But we wanted to take it even further. So now we introduced the brand new SafetyPro series.
This series will be our commitment to continuously raising the bar for laser safety. As for this winter, we bring you a new air solution for lasers with our latest purifier and duct fan.
Unlike household purifiers that work in cycles, laser purifiers have only one chance to filter pollutants before releasing them into the air we breathe. That's why it requires much higher standards for purification than household purifiers. Based on our findings, we realized that harmful gases can still leak out even with the purifier running. And this is mostly due to the blockages in the filters. To address this issue, we integrated cyclone technology from the vacuum industry into our laser purifiers for the first time. This technology effectively preventing blockages and significantly extending the filter's lifespan by 10 times. Based on our testing, even after 600 hours of continuous stone embossing, the SafetyPro AP2 still showed no signs of clogs or leaks.
After resolving the dust problem, we turned our focus to another challenge, which is about how to better remove the odors, especially when cutting acrylic. We gathered the R&D team for multiple brainstorms and drew inspiration from medical masks to develop a new carbon layer. This high-density fabric, packed with 400 times smaller activity carbon, is effectively to remove odors and harmful gases. Now, you will not even know you are cutting acrylic. In addition, we made the purifier easier and smarter to use. The SafetyPro AP2 can adjust the airflow based on the materials automatically. For example, when you cut wood, it creates more smoke and fewer harmful gases. So the AP2 matches it with higher airflow for quick ventilation. However, when you cut acrylic, which releases less smoke but more harmful gases, so it needs lower airflow to better absorb them slowly.
Besides the purifier, we have launched the SafetyPro IF2, a duct fan specifically designed for laser processing. While traditional duct fans focus on CFM values, which only measure the airflow, the SafetyPro IF2 also pays attention on suction power, functioning like a vacuum cleaner for laser residues. It features a 100-watt motor to enhance suction power, paired with dual fans running at 14,000 RPM. Despite these powerful features, we have reduced its size by 6 times for easier use. So we believe the SafetyPro IF2 will be the next generation of duct fans for lasers.
SafetyPro represents xTool's commitment to user safety.
We believe that all users deserve access to this protection, ensuring a safer working environment.
At xTool, we don't just make promise, we deliver. We've decided to offer all laser users our latest innovations at an incredible price. Not $999, not $799, but $499. And for our valued xTool machine owners, we are extending the $499 price for an entire year.